guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today is May's unboxing of Simply Earth. They send me this recipe box over every single month, and I greatly appreciate it because I absolutely love these recipe boxes that they send. I love that Simply Earth is 100% all natural and pure oils. These recipe boxes are super fun because it kind of helps you when you're a newbie to essential oils, what you need and how to make everything. They send you over 6 recipes every month, the stickers, the oils, and then a couple accessories. And when you first sign up for Simply Earth, they send you the big box, which is always full of coconut oils, almond oils, and roller balls and diffuser bottles, all kinds of stuff that's super fun. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside here, make a couple of recipes. I've been doing this for about a year now and working with this company for about I wanna say a solid year, if not a little bit longer now. And I absolutely love it. This box is $39 a month, and you get full-size oils. So I think that is such a great deal for about 10 bucks an oil, because some oils that you get that are 100% pure range from like $30 to $40, which is just insane. So this one, it comes with these recipe cards like so, and then you receive a box that looks like this. So here's your oils right here. They sent over a Good Vibes, Lady's Choice, Majorum, I might be saying that wrong, I'll figure it out what it's called, and Tangerine. And then they also send over a couple of these little, what is in here? They sent over dried lavender flowers. So maybe we're making like some masks or like some kind of like body stuff, a little bottle like this, and then a little lip balm possibly thing like this. So the recipes that we're gonna be doing, I don't always do all of these, but I will link all my Simply Earth videos. So if you guys want to check any of those fun recipes out, or like you want to find new recipes, I will leave all those linked. And then also I think on Simply Earth they have some of their recipes available when you purchase their subscription. Okay, anyways, they have a Good Vibes roll-on cramp care compress. So this is like a ladies box. This is like a nice like self-care box for our hardest days of the month, which is pretty cool to me. Spring Day Diffuser Blend. They have Positivity Solid Perfume. So I think that's must be what we're making with this, is like a little perfume, which that's pretty, that's pretty cool. Balance Bath Soak. And sometimes they don't have all the ingredients. You do need like a couple things every now and then, like water. This one you need like Epsom salt, and then this one you just need like a cloth. You know, they don't send all of that stuff, but this one you need a soft cloth. This is a complexion face serum, and I'm almost really kind of excited to try that out. So that must be what we put in this little thing right here, is the face serum. If you guys want to check this out, link will be in the description box. And if you guys do purchase this, 13% of the profit goes to Stop Human Trafficking, and I can't say that's not one of the greatest donations you can put forth to. So without further ado, let's make some essential oil DIYs. The first recipe I always like starting out with is their diffuser blend. This one you're going to use all 4 of the essential oils that came in here. And then if you guys want to screenshot or like pause the beginning to get the recipe, you can definitely do that. But I just like starting everything off with a nice fresh smell in my kitchen. In this one, I have to say that all of their spring diffuser blends have been my absolute favorite so far. They all smell so nice and so springy and so fresh, and my kitchen smells awesome. This complexion face serum, I'm so excited to try. Everything smells so good. You'll need the almond oil, and then I just squirted the almond oil until you got to the curve at the top, and then you add your essential oils, and then you just shake it up really well. And like I said, everything comes with a sticker as well. Actually, I didn't show that. Everything comes with a sticker so you can label all of your bottles so you will know which one is which. And then you just shake it up. And the almond oil did come from the big box that you do receive with your first recipe box subscription. Like I said, it comes in handy. It's amazing unless you already have that, but I never did. So I'm really glad that I received the big box to start with. Like I said, this is everything that you need to make the complexion face serum. This Balance Bath Soak was pretty fun to make. You just need 2 cups of Epsom salt, a 4th cup of coconut oil, and then a few drops of each of the essential oils that the box came with, along with the lavender seeds. Well, I don't want to say seeds. I'm pretty sure it's the seeds. But that was really fun. I love making things like that and like mixing them together. I don't think I've actually made any of this on the recipe boxes that like on a video, but I have made them, and I just absolutely love the way they are. Dried lavender flowers, not seeds. And then, like I said, you're just going to mix it all together until it's like a nice little soak, and then you just use like a half a cup of this when you're going to get in the bath or whatever the recipe says. I would probably always add a little bit more, but look how cute this looks. I just love it. I did end up adding it in a glass jar, but did not show that part. But this is how simple these are. These are also the recipes that I did not use that did come with the recipe box. But yeah, you guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to check out Simply Earth. Links will be in the description box below. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.